Pebbles Live. Yusuf was in English. He was happy. He was happy. The soup was hot. The soup was hot. The girl was shy. The girl was shy. The lamp was on. The lamp was on. The fire was hot. The fire was hot. The sky was blue. The sky was blue. The hat was red. The hat was red. She was talking. She was talking. I was preparing dinner. I was preparing dinner. The bike was new. The bike was new. The tree was tall. The tree was tall. The key was lost. The key was lost. The cake was sweet. The cake was sweet. The cave was dark. The cave was dark. She was painting. She was painting. The road was long. The road was long. I was reading. I was reading. The school bus was late. The school bus was late. Little baby was crying. Little baby was crying. I was excited. I was excited. It was a beautiful night. It was a beautiful night. Pebbles Live.